Hello everyone, welcome to Microsoft Excel Complete Training Program. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to calculate medical allowance, conveyance allowance, and house rent allowance while you are preparing salary sheet of your employees. And we'll also learn how to format these to make a good look and feel of the Excel sheet. And we have a quick revision of our previous sessions as well. While we are working, we will have a quick recap of all our tutorials. Of course, that will be a kind of a quick revision. Okay, let's start. Like we in our first lectures or second, we learn how to create a serial number. So quickly, just click or take your mouse pointer to the plus sign and push the control. Then you will see a small another plus sign and drag it down to the ultimate desired location. So that's how you create your okay your serial number. Okay, we have learned the data validation in our previous session, so we'll go quickly again. You have to select it all, and then go to data, then data validation, then select the list, and then type here. You have to type your data over here. Then okay, so that's how you create your data validation list. Okay, now the basic salary, we have basic salary, and today we learn how to calculate the uh, allowances in Excel, and then how to calculate gross salary, then with few deductions, then net salary. And while doing this, we'll learn how to multiply, auto sum, subtraction as well. Okay, all right, okay. So if we say our medical allowance will be the 20% of the basic, then that's how we calculate. We'll go to the basic salary, which is D12, and for multiplication, you have to press a static button, and then the E6, the cell where you have mentioned your allowances percentage. Okay, if we do it like this, but it will create error by copying the formula down by clicking it. So what happened basically in our previous session, we have learned we have to constant this E6 because we don't want to keep it variable, since it will apply all these variables. Okay, if we're doing so, we have to put a dollar sign here, and your keyboard you can press F4. Okay, now just click here, double click here, you'll get your or desired allowances here. Okay, then you copy the same here, multiply this with the multiply with static, and then with the percentage. And you must know for formula, and for any formula you have to press equal sign before calculating it. Just double click, it will copy down. Okay, the same formula. Okay, now house rent is best 40% of the basic. Press static, go to desired location, then also of course sorry, put a dollar sign. Okay, then press enter, then take your mouse cursor to here. That's how it was. A quick recap. And if you want to auto fit the sheet, you see house rent allowance is just hiding under the next. Okay, just double click, you'll get your uh, width, required width. Okay, now okay, we suppose 20% as of the gross is your tax. So okay, now what we do, we have to press. We did our quick revision, and we are in now new session. Okay, let's do it again. We have done it. If we say $1,000 is, what is dollar sign? There is dollar sign. Reduce your digits of the decimal. Okay, it's like a revision also. Okay, all right. Unless another direction like a group insurance, let's do a, okay, which may be the again 1,000. We have to get the dollar sign also. Press the auto fit button, go to here and double click, you'll get your required width. Okay, reduce the digits after decimal, double click. Okay, all right. Okay, we got the gross salary and deductions also. Now we'll do is we'll calculate net salary. If we insert a column and we say the total deductions, of course, once you're working on Excel sheet, if you put it somewhere, they must also understand what you're doing. Okay, what we're doing basically, we'll do the okay. Let's do some. In previous session, I taught you how to do auto sum, and that's how you do auto sum. Second is you can do it with the formula sum. Oh, sorry, sum, and what he says desired numbers. So these are our desired numbers after gross salary because we are just calculating deductions. Okay, double click, you get your numbers here now. Okay, these are total deductions. So what is net salary equal to? Now we are learning subtraction as well. Equal to the gross salary, which is here in H8, H8 minus the L8. Okay, so just take your pointer here and double click because no formula sign and in we are not we are not putting the um, dollar sign in formula because both are the variables. We want to minus this and this, and we are trying to keep copying the same activity down the line. Okay, so we got our all salary sheet for your employees. Now we'll do some better work like to make the our Excel sheets look and feel better. So what we'll do, let's type ABC company name here. Company name. All right, company. Let's zoom out a bit so we see. Okay, now select all, tilt your last column, merge it. Now what do you do? A bit bigger. Okay, or maybe some pounds and all right. Okay, that's look better. And a bit background, maybe yellow. We are learning formatting, yeah. Okay, outer must be a bit thicker. Okay, and let's type something like deduction allowances here. Allowances. Okay, and deductions merge here and type deductions. Okay, you got some revision kind of how to merge the cell. We already learned in our previous tutorial. Okay, let's give some like thing like green background and a bit increase the font size and the bold as well. Same here since it is a detection, so do it kind of red. It should also be bigger and bold. Okay, let's do it green here as well. Here we go. And outer lines of the both maybe, yeah. And the same here, outer lines green, oh sorry, red. Okay, and bold. I'm doing formatting, yeah. So if you're presenting your sheet to someone, it should look good, yeah. Okay, what we'll do about this, let's do it like if you like to insert the lines here, it looks like this. Okay, okay, you can have a thicker outline of this border, or you see some things are missing or hiding. under the another column. So take your mouse here, do it like double click. It's like a revision for you. Okay, but you want to reduce the width of this, so just to reduce it and say wrap the text, so it will be okay. Okay, all right, you can do here as well, wrap the text. Okay, wrap the text just to look good and minimize your sheet. Okay, this may be as well. Okay, this one as well. Okay, this revision how to wrap the text we have learned already in previous session. Okay, if you want to make it more beautiful, so you have another option. Select all. Okay, go to insert, select the table, select the entire range. Okay, there we go. We don't need data filter. Okay, so we take the data filter out. So this is your salary sheet. Let's zoom out. Here we go. Salary sheet of your employees. Okay, now it seems a bit awkward here, so let's delete the row. That's how we learn its revision how to delete the rows. Okay, delete the rows, minimize it to look good, yeah. Okay, that's what else do you want to do in your uh, formatting? Okay, so today we learned how to create a salary sheet and how to calculate allowances, deductions, and this bit formatting of the salary sheet, and a bit revision of our previous sessions, and overall how to present it to your seniors or your boss. So thank you very much for today.